Every year, we see the same decorations in every shop. So this year, I wanted to make my own festive centerpiece. Using 5mm acrylic, I let the xTool P2S cut every detail perfectly. You don't have to worry about the edges being crooked, as xTool P2S will cut it smoothly. After cutting, each piece is already ready to assemble. No extra trimming needed. Piece by piece, the whole decoration comes to life. Wishing everyone a happy Chinese New Year. Image magic, ideal to print.